Hi, welcome to Creator Tutorial Short. In this tutorial, we put some highlights on the hair on this image. So let's begin to our tutorial. First, first we are going to do is we will choose the color of highlights we want to make. Now let's do some hue and saturation. Now let's try to blend some color for this hair. Then after we select the color we want, then adjust the saturation, then lightness, then after that control I on your keyboard. If you are new on my channel, please support my YouTube channel by subscribing it and also by sharing it to your friends so that I will make more tutorial video like this. So let's continue. Now we already inverted. The keyboard shortcut of inverted is Control I on your keyboard. Then click the brush tool. Then now let's try to brush on some part of the hair. So there's nothing happen because as we notice, the color of the mask is color black, then our palette is also black. So we need to invert the color of the palette so that change it to white to invert it, or click here like this or X on your keyboard. So let's now to brush it. So as you can see, the highlight it will paint on our subject, so like that. So it's amazing, right? Then after we put some highlight, then this layer of hue and saturation, we must do some adjustment and blending so that it will look natural. And now I'm choose the color. I tried to make some adjustment here like that. Now we put another highlights. Okay, we try again. Hue and saturation. Then change the blending mode to color. Let's choose another highlights again to something bluish. I like bluish colors like that. So let's invert it by Control I again on your keyboard, then paint it to the hair. Now next we are going to put some shadows on the hair. So Control I again, then brush it to our main subject. As you notice, it will turn to black, but it is destructive. So we change the blending mode. We'll change the mode into overlay, then try to brush it. Now let's put some highlights. Okay, that is the shadow part. Then now let's put some highlights by adding exposure. Now let's add some exposure like that. Then try to invert it. Then let's try to brush it like that. Destructive, but we will make some blending. The soft light is enough, so we now brush some. We must adjust the opacity of our brush. Now it's done, but we put some reddish here. Then adjust the hue and saturation below so that we will put some exposure effects. Now it's done. I hope you will learn something in my tutorial. If you like this video, write your comment below so that I will make another tutorial for you. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Always be creative.